Hi everybody, so this is so impromptu, but I thought I would share with you guys an unboxing because I literally just received it. It's a jewelry order, which is, I guess, a first for me and my channel, but I wanted to share with you guys my initial reaction when I opened this. And this is an order from Christine Cavallari's jewelry brand, Uncommonjames. And I would have to say, you guys, in terms of like shipping and ease in ordering, I was very, very, very impressed. It arrived fairly quickly. Let me pull up, I think it's been less than a week, and this is from Tennessee. It's a FedEx, so they use FedEx. Let me just open this up. The shipping was really impressive. It was quick. It was easy. The tracking was so easy. It said it was going to arrive on the 8th. Delivery was the 8th, and as soon, like today is the 8th, and I got it. So you guys, this is how it looks. This is their packaging. Okay, so the reason I ordered is they have, I think this is from the Demi collection, which is like the fine, more of their fine jewelry collection. It's 18 karat gold, I think, over pure sterling silver. Okay, so let's see how this looks. I believe it's called the Demi collection. It's the most recent collection that was launched. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks. You have this beautiful box. It is so pretty. And then just your order. And then the refunds and exchanges policy, which I don't think I have to worry about. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. I almost don't want to open it. I mean, oh, okay, so let me open it. You can actually put it back again because it's a garterized. That is so smart. This is their logo, you guys. Uncommonjames. So it's a U with a J on the side, like their initials. Okay, let me see. Hope this is good. Another box. Okay. Alright, packaging. I guess you're paying a price for the packaging, so this is how it looks. And then it says, warning, these jewels may cause envy. And then there is a card. This is very good packaging, you guys. And the card says, elegance made effortless. I don't know if you guys can see that. Certification card, Demi-Fine, which is the collection. Demi-Fine explained, while all Uncommonjames jewelry is created with high quality materials, our Demi-Fine jewelry, also known as vermeil jewelry, is crafted with 14 karat gold plated sterling silver and real round cut diamonds. This exclusive collection was designed by Christine Cavallari to bring upscale elegance to life's extraordinary moments. There's details for diamonds, but I don't. The one I ordered is not with diamonds. Okay, so let's look at the product packaging, you guys. There's a lot of packaging investment over here. So you have the Uncommonjames tissue, and then when you open it, you have the actual velvet pouch. Okay, so let's actually open the package. I'm very excited. This is the pouch, and okay, let's go see. Wow, this is more yellow gold than I thought it would be, but this is how it looks. Let me just put my hand behind it. Actually looks very good against my skin. Feels substantial. Feels definitely substantial. Okay, let me try to put this on. I have a necklace, but it's fine. The drop is much lower. I cannot see it. Let me try. Let me remove the label first. Okay. You actually don't need scissors for the label. I think they just kind of... Oh, you do. So you guys, this one that I purchased is 128 US dollars, and then I had to pay extra $29 for duties and taxes in Canada. Okay, so hopefully this will get me to close this clasp more easily. I don't think I did that quite properly, but this is how it looks. It is, at least insofar as I can see from my viewfinder, it is so cute. It's kind of exactly what I wanted it to be. I like the paper clip kind of chain. I've been trying to find something like that. And then of course I can make this more into choker, but if I'm wearing a lower shirt or a more v-neck shirt, definitely can see that, and I can see myself layering this necklace with even my diamond pendant or real jewelry. So that is it, you guys. That is my unboxing. That is how it looks. Oh, I told you I didn't close it properly, but the weight, you guys, it feels really nice, and it feels really substantial, if that makes sense. And I just like how dainty the paper clip links are. I'm gonna try to attempt to close this again. And I think there's so much, the length of the chain, yeah, I think I got that this time. You can make it more of a choker or more like a lower drop, and I think it looks good. So that is my unboxing today, you guys. I hope you found this interesting, and if you enjoy this kind of content, just random impromptu unboxing of things, just let me know. And I guess that is it. I hope you guys have a great day or a great evening.